Wealth Machines, that's my newest money-making system, and if you want to win a free copy, I'll show you how to do it right here in this video. Hey, what's up guys, this is Art from Art of Marketing blog, and I'm super excited because I'm releasing my newest product called Wealth Machines. So for this one I teamed up with Will Allen, and he's actually the guy that prepared this whole course, this whole system, this whole formula, and he is making thousands of dollars as an affiliate marketer. So Will is actually a father of 4, and he is supporting his family by doing affiliate marketing. So he sort of works outside of the internet marketing industry, and that's why all of his systems and formulas are super unique, and this is one of them. So I'm going to show you how to win a free copy in just a second. First of all, let me share my screen and let me show you the sales page and the inside of the members area. Okay, so this will be my Wealth Machines review. As you can see, this sales page will say Wealth Machines, simple Wealth Machines, fill out our pockets with up to $4,921.45 per day while we kick back and watch the money roll in steadily. Just 2 simple clicks and you're in business. So I'll show you exactly what's on the inside in just a second, but I just wanted to hit on some key points. We have some proof. Obviously, all this proof is from Will. This is the guy that prepared this whole course. Obviously we talked about, the bonuses, what's inside, some more proof, we have the testimonials, all the modules listed, etc. We have some bonuses right here on the sales page, 30 days money back guarantee, and that's essentially it. And this is being released by Team Black Belt, being myself, Palab, Endram, and Will Allen. Again, Will is the guy behind this new course. So this is what you'll see on the sales page, and the inside of the members area looks like this. Okay, so guys, this is a huge done for you pack with all the video training and with additional software. Okay, so everything you need is right here inside the system. So as you can see, we have the video training right here, and we have all of these Wealth Machine product funnels done for you. Okay, so as you can see, the funnels will include sales page preview, download page preview, upsell page preview, product download page preview, excuse me, and you're going to be getting your affiliate link right here. So check out how many funnels we have done for you. These are totally done for you. So we have 2, 4, 6, 8, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22. We have 22 done for you funnels. All you have to do is just start promoting them and make money. And as you can see, we have traffic generation training and software. So this is where you're going to be generating all the traffic that you need for your affiliate link. Okay, so this is just the first page. Let me show you the traffic training right here. As you can see, we have Bing ads training. So this is perfect because Bing ads are super cheap. You're paying pennies and you're making tens of dollars back. Okay, so this is exactly what Will is using and what you can use as well. Then we have the paid ads templates, a link to Ubersuggest. This is how you're going to be finding your keywords, a link to AdWords Wrapper, link to Bing ads, and we also have free Facebook traffic training. So this is a second way you can generate traffic. So you can generate traffic for free from Facebook or from Bing ads. Totally up to you if you want to use the first or the second or both methods. And then we have some upsells right here. I'm going to talk about the upsells in a second. Okay, we also include call to action templates right here for Facebook. So guys, pretty simple. You get the traffic, you send it to the done for you funnels, and you're making money. Will explains exactly how to do it. So it's a pretty straightforward system. Now, he is a father of 4 and he doesn't really have a ton of time every single day to dedicate to making money online. And he still makes it work because he needed to find something that works fast and that's smart and clever. Okay, so this is exactly what you're going to be getting. Right now, let's talk about all of the upsells. Okay, so guys, obviously in a second I'm going to tell you how to win a free copy, but if you will not win a free copy, you can still pick up Wealth Machines, and it will be $12 and you will be presented with some one-time offer. So upgrade number 1 will be 10 more Wealth Machines. So obviously you're getting the done for you funnels, the done for you Wealth Machines inside the main product. That's 10 additional ones if you want to get even more. Upgrade number 2 will be Wealth Machines Pro. So here you're getting the same exact done for you tools and free traffic strategies that made $70,000 in 30 days. Next up, upgrade number 3, we have the auto blogging software. So this is a powerful software that turns any blog into an automatic autopilot clickbank cash machine. So this is a piece of software. Upgrade number 4, done for you. We've done for you evergreen affiliate campaigns, done for you automated campaigns, CPA campaigns, social media promos, email campaigns, engagement posts, squeeze pages, and more. upgrade number 5, and the last upgrade will be copywriting training. So here you're going to be learning from Will how to not really become a copywriter, you can, but just how to write simple copy that converts into sales, because this is something that you actually have to master if you want to make 6-7 figures online. So guys, these are all of the upsells. Obviously upsells are optional. Everything I showed you in this video will be included in the main Wealth Machines course. And right now let me tell you how to win a free copy. Okay, so if you're watching on YouTube right now, all you have to do is like this video, subscribe to this channel, click on the bell for notifications, and leave me a comment. And the comment is the most important thing, because I will be taking the totality of the people that did these 4 things, and 10% will be winners. So if we will have 100 people that will do these 4 things, 10% will be winners, and they will get a free copy, and I'll be announcing the winners on my blog. So right here under this video, you have the link to winners right here. And this is where you're gonna find out if you won or not. So again, like this video, subscribe to the channel, comment on this video, and click on the bell. And when we will be going live with Wealth Machines, I'm going to announce it at the same time on my blog. So the winners will be announced on the 18th of September at 11 a.m. Eastern. Okay, so guys, go to my blog to see if we won. If you didn't win, you can still go to my blog. You will have a link that will take you to the sales page, and you can still snatch it with an early bird discount for just $12. The price will be $27 after the launch. Okay, so guys, I'm super excited for this, because again, I know that Will makes money this way, and this is something easily replicable. So you can replicate this super easy. Even if you're a complete beginner, complete newbie, you can just take this, generate the traffic, send it to your affiliate link, and make money. So guys, again, Wealth Machines will be going live on Friday, 18th of September, 11 a.m. Eastern. Do these 4 things for the last time: like, comment, subscribe, click on the bell to win a free copy, and hopefully I will see you inside the members area. Ciao.